So I want to get back into talking about some of the additives you use. You talked about using Stash Blend. My first question for you is, do you use it at the application rate, which is half teaspoon per gallon of water? And do you use it as a soil drench only or what?
Yeah, so I kind of watched the video where you guys tried it as a top dress method, and that kind of scared me away from it. But I will say, man, I do it about, I don't do a half a tablespoon, I do a whole tablespoon per gallon of water. I mix up a 2 gallon bucket. I mix 2 gallons at a time because, like I said, I got small grows. And then I give the same, rated to amount. I'm sorry, I give the same amount to my plants outside as well. And Stash Blend and Recharge are literally the only two amendments that I use. And I still feel that it's all organic, so I feel like that I'm still staying in the organics only lane. And the plus side, I think the reason why I like the Stash Blend so much is because, man, who doesn't like to smell top ramen once a week? You know what I mean? It's awesome. But no, the plants love it, man, and they really, really love it. And I don't feel like you can give them too much because there was one time that I accidentally gave a tablespoon instead of a teaspoon to a gallon, and the plants didn't seem to be harmed by it whatsoever. And that goes back to the plants are only going to take up what they need. So people, that kills me, man. I don't understand why we got to do the more is more. No, less is more in a lot of situations when it comes to, adding anything. Your amendments. You can't overdo it on the guide green. I have done it. You can kill your plant or burn your plants that way. You don't necessarily kill them. It's just a tough go for a couple weeks. But yeah, the Stash Blend is amazing. You guys did an amazing job creating that. You really did. And I like it so much that I have some and I just give it away. I just give it to folks. Like, dude, try this. And I've actually got a experiment going right now where I have just my Pro Mix HP, and I got a plant in there, and I'm only giving it Stash Blend. I put no amendments inside the soil at all, and then it's growing well. I'll give it Stash Blend once a week with, of course, water every couple of days because it needs it. But every few waterings, I throw Stash Blend in there, and it seems to be loving life right now. So I'm trying to grow a whole plant without using anything but soil and Stash Blend.
That'd be pretty wild. Yeah, I don't think anybody's done that yet. It's really an additive. It's a 215 NPK, but it does have some other nutrition in there, such as silica, for example, and then beneficials. So I imagine that the beneficials of mycorrhizal fungi and then the beneficial bacteria is helping with the breakdown of amendments for you. So I'm really glad that you're having good success with it. And that for those that didn't catch that top ramen joke, it's because Stash Blend, a lot of people say it smells like beef ramen.
It doesn't smell. I feel like you guys just took the packets and put it in these bags because it's identical. And I grew up, very poor, so I eat a lot of top ramen. So I'm the one that can really say, "Hey, this smells like ramen noodles."
That's funny. And so you use Stash Blend and you use Recharge. And I think this is an interesting topic as well, because there's a lot of folks that think you need to use one or the other. And that's just not the case. There's so many people out there that are using both Stash Blend and Recharge. And sure, there's some overlapping, right? The seaweed overlaps, some of the beneficials overlap, so on and so forth. But you can totally use them at the same time. Now, what are you using for an application rate for the Recharge, and then how often?
Actually, I wasn't on the Recharge game at all until I saw Rob. Y'all had a podcast with I can't remember who it was, but he was talking about how he uses Recharge, and he said he stops throwing Stash Blend in about the last 2 weeks of flower, and he starts using Recharge. And I tried that, man, and it really changed the way things are. And it is, to me, it seems the same when you're mixing it together. I'm not going to lie, because it's easy. You take it out of the bag, you put it in water, you mix it up, and it turns black. But the smells are totally different. The Recharge smells like just molasses, and then of course we talked about the smell of the Stash Blend, and then also the amounts you use. So Recharge is a much smaller amount, per your application method versus the Stash Blend. And a little goes a long way with both of them. So I use it only solely drench method because I don't feel confident enough to just throw stuff in the soil and add water to it. I don't want it to dry anything out. I feel like there's drying agents in there. It's a powder, and I feel like it needs to be mixed properly with water and then added to combat those drying agents. I don't know how true that is. This is how I feel personally, in my opinion. So
this clip was brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrowIt15 to save on any of their gardening products.